How chocolate is made today, inside the modern factory.
Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The intense grinding process is crucial, as it refines the texture and unlocks the deep, complex flavor.
We have a critical pressure spike in Sector 4. It's climbing too fast.
Override engaged. Monitor the composition data while I stabilize the temperature.
Each batch is refined and tested to ensure perfect quality. Every product is verified before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.